This was one crazy day. It's still not ended. It's 20 minutes to 6. I have cold coffee, which usually is so. I made for myself coffee, and in the end I'm drinking a cold one. I have a huge amount of packaging, so I will drive to post office. Now I just will labeling lost labels, which I usually add, and then I will put everything in my bag with all orders together. I can't promise anything today anymore. I think this will be only one catch up with you with face to face. My voice sounds very weirdly. Also, I hope, I don't know, will I manage it? I really hope to buy a pompons today. Just check out. I hope I will have a time, because I'm driving to the place which is like a shopping mall, but there is also a post office, and actually I love that place because I love that place because there is very nice workers, post office employees. I really like them, and they know me. It's so many years I'm visiting them, and I think they knew me in face actually. The same in my local post office too. There is also a very nice ladies with different type of characters, but anyway they are nice. If you are like nice to people, they are also nice to you. It's my experience. So I really try to be very polite with all post office employees. How to tell it? Okay, post office ladies, because there are only ladies, never a man. I think they have quite small salary there, which is unfair. I imagine how many stress they should go through when you are working with the customers. It's stress face to face. So it's done. Yeah, but I still need to make 3 another bags, lunch bags. I didn't manage to go today to buy this magnets for bags, because my working machine, sewing machine, is sick. Something is wrong with that machine. I even unopened it and checked up what is going on. So good that I have a simple Janome sewing machine, and I think I have some clue what is wrong with this. I think there one detail is not broke, but just lived the life, and that detail said enough, I'm too old. Somehow like this. So this was my work today, and yeah, and I need to manage to go to post office. We will pack everything in this bag. Somehow today I feel a stress, because Christmas is so close, super fast. I didn't actually felt whole December. Maybe because there is no snow. You saw, there is no snow anymore. It was rainy today in the morning. And I was talking with my mom. She always know everything, and she told me, well, in Latvia we will not having snow on December. Even there will be very warm weather, like +8 by Celsius degrees. Why? Oh my god. So at least there will be maybe less smaller bill about heating. But I really wanted the snow. It sounds very sad. I remember I had a post office bag. Maybe if I will find a picture I will add. I think I need to make another post office bag because I feel that I miss it. It's full. Not very heavy, but it's full. Okay. I have a time a little bit, so I will enjoy my coffee and knit a little bit blue shawl because I feel that I can end it quite soon. Fluff. And I want to knit so desperately. Maybe I will show you how I'm looking for pompons. Some crafty shops we have in that place. That mall is like separated from clothes shops to home decor and all home stuff. And also there is a books and yes, and there is many crafty shops. Let's do this. Hi, very unusual to be in shop where is so many people. How you saw, I got pompons, but I think I will glue them some days in the future. Tomorrow, maybe Thursday, we'll see. I'm going to home. I will make a dinner for my kids, a soup with coconut milk. It will be a vegetable type soup with coconut milk and rice glass noodles, if I remember correctly. And I will chill and edit this video. This was my day. So let's see what will be tomorrow. And also I wanted to mention I will add a link. If you like and you understand Russia, I'm inviting you to some blogger, Nasty Inspiration, to watch her last episode, which is like Advent type every Sunday. And there is some giveaway from me. So I am as a sponsor for her, and everyone who is living in Europe can get this. I will add this organizer. You can use it for any stuff you want to organize, but I'm currently using for my knitting needles. My daughter is using the same organizer for her school stuff as a pen, pencils, everything what she needs for school. So just do this. Try this option. Someone is parking and he has a huge car. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, I have old car, but I don't want scratches on my old car. And usually you can get scratches in mall parking places. You always came to your car and there is surprise, there is a new scratch. I am like a goldfish. I took around and I forgot what I want to tell you. But yes, back to Nastya. Just go watch if you understand Russia and take your part in this giveaway. It's amazing giveaway, and I already packed this thing, and it will be very beautiful Christmas gift to someone. So let's meet you tomorrow. I will go and feed my kiddos. Bye.